Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials: a code editor and a simple project layout. Open VS Code and create a new folder for your site, then add index, HTML, styles, CSS, and script, JS. Once done, install Live Server so you can preview changes instantly. You do this now to shorten feedback loops and avoid guessing layout issues. Make sure your files are saved and linked. Index. HTML should reference styles, CSS, and script, JS so the browser loads structure, style, and behavior together. Now you build the site's core. Write semantic HTML for accessibility and clear structure. Use header, nav, main, and footer. Once the HTML skeleton is done, link your styles, CSS, and craft mobile-first CSS rules so the page adapts naturally. Use VS Code features, emit abbreviation speed markup, IntelliSense suggests attributes, and Prettier keeps formatting consistent. As you code, run Live Server to verify layout. This tight loop helps you spot spacing and stylish cascade issues before moving to finish by adding JavaScript for interactivity. Attach event listeners, handle forms, and fetch data when needed so the site feels responsive. Once your script, JS is wired, test everything with Live Server and the browser console. Confirm there are no 404s or uncaught errors. When ready, initialize a Git repo, commit, and push to GitHub, then enable GitHub pages or upload to a static host. If something breaks, first check the console and file paths. Most problems are missing links or typos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.